good, TNT gang? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with
another one.
But today is gonna be a little bit different, y'all. I've been working real hard. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek. A little sneak peek. Ooh. Hey, I've been trying to block sand that down, man. I'm gonna show y'all a way to... Hey, y'all just stay tuned, y'all. But today is gonna be a little bit different. I got a lot of videos that are in the archive that I've uploaded somewhere else a long time ago. So today we're gonna start up Throwback Thursday. Hey, if y'all some OG, oh man, I can't even talk. Some OGs, y'all know what this is, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So today, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all another little sneak peek of what we got going on back here. Even though we still gotta get that out. But I knocked this down back here. I'm gonna probably flatten this out, put some body filler back here on the back. But hey, I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna bring some epic stuff, man. I got a skit on the way. Y'all, hey, if y'all ain't subscribed, y'all better hit it now. All right, y'all, enjoy the video.
Oh my God!
Stop laughing. Keep the wheel straight, Kelly. Turn the other way. The other way. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tony B with, and today I'm gonna be working on that C10. I told y'all, like in my last video, I got to get to work on this truck, y'all. So now I gotta, get this truck, pull it in the garage. As you can see, I got all this stuff out here. This is a sad scene here. I need to get that bed, or the floor of the bed, so I can get this thing, back in order. And my last video, I was saying I may sell it, man, but I don't think I can do it, man. I just been working so hard on this project to get it to, where it is now, with the engine and all that kind of stuff, man. But I don't know if I can do it, man. If I get in a predicament where I need to sell it, then I may sell it. But, man, let's get this thing in the garage so we can check out what we need to do. Don't touch me. I'm gonna push it. I'm not closing. I'm just making it so. Alright. Oh! Oh my goodness, as y'all seen, your boy was struggling to get this thing in the garage, but I had to go get my cousin to help me out. which, you know, ain't no problem with that. You know, sometimes you need that help. Let me get this brake, let me get this engine break-in oil up out of this engine. It ain't been in there too long. I want to go ahead and get it out and get some regular conventional oil in it. I did the break-in procedure on it just in case, even though it's a crate engine, it's not a built engine. I didn't know if you had to, you know, do so. But let's get this oil up out of here. Jack this thing on jack stand, even though, let's see. No, I don't need to put it on jack stand. That's the good thing about these trucks, man. About old trucks, any trucks. My $1,000 truck. Man, guys, I know you're thinking like, hey, this truck is in pieces, looks bad. But hey, for $1,000, man, and the way I'm doing it, you guys gonna be proud of your boy when we get done with it. And one tip from your boy Tony B is always recycle your oil. Take a couple minutes out your day, big homie, and do what you got to do. Take it to a recycling center, take it to your auto parts place, and they'll recycle it for you, my boy. Just put it back in your old oil container and take your behind and recycle your old oil, man. Uh-oh. I got my oil pan. I'm gonna slide it under the truck. Got my wrench. I like to use a close-end wrench. I don't like to use an open end or a socketing wrench. I like to, you know, see if the threads are trying to break or, you know, get stripped. So I like to use a close-end wrench. That's a little tip for me. That's just the way I like to do it. You can do it with a socket, or you can even do it with this end, but I don't, you know, recommend it. But let's get under the truck and get this oil out of here. Sorry I lied to y'all, but I went ahead and jacked up the truck, you know, so I can have more room to record. The camera I have doesn't have a good lens on it, so I had to get a little bit farther away so I can show you guys that I already broke it loose. Some of these have washers on them that you have to replace. Most of the time it's a copper washer. You know, sometimes it's a rubber seal, but just take it off and drain the oil. Pretty self-explanatory. Remove the old oil, replace it with new. And I warn you guys, this oil gonna be pretty much brand new. Oh my. And I missed the whole drain. I mean, yeah, I missed the whole pan.
Oh,
look at this
my
mess.
God.
Missed the whole pan. And here goes the drain plug. This is the copper washer I was talking about. I think this one's copper, but it looks like it's in good shape, so I'm not gonna replace it. You know, cause this is a brand new engine. But hopefully before I leave, I can get it started. Get it started so you guys can hear it, and then I'll be more motivated to come back to Georgia and get it down to my new home in Florida. Now let's see if we can get this oil filter off without making a mess. If I can even get it off. Almost. Shoot.
One eternity later.
Couldn't get it off by hand. So let's see if this filter remover tool to get it off, whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it. It shouldn't be on that tight though. I usually don't put them on tight. Well, try number 2. Golly. See what I did? I just poked the hole at the bottom of it to get the oil out. I'm gonna have to destroy this filter to get it off. I might have to hit it with the hammer, put a flathead, and then try to twist it out of there. Cause I have no idea how it got so hard, got so tight on there. But I'm gonna get a new filter anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Day 2.
Well, guys, if you guys want to know why I say day 2, this is the reason why. This joker was stuck on there so bad. Hey, the first thing I did was try to puncture a flathead screwdriver through it and try to see if I can, you know, get it off. But what I usually do, I poke a hole at the bottom, especially these oil filters that, you know, face straight down, so I won't, you know, make such a bad mess. But that's a good little trick you can use. Just poke a flathead screwdriver down, you know, at the bottom to let the oil drain out of the filter before you take it off. And then, shoot, man, I had to get some channel lock pliers to get this thing off. But it was too late by the time I found my channel lock. So I just, you know, got up this morning and got it off, man. But there's no reason for this to even be on there that hard. But, hey, I'm glad I got it off. And one thing, remember to continue to put oil on this top seal up here. And I don't know what this stuff is here. Hopefully it's not too much metal in here. I know I did the break-in procedure. I don't know if that's from the break-in oil or what. That might be the reason why it was stuck on there pretty good. Alright, y'all, I got a new oil filter. I filled it with oil. I put some oil on the seal up here on the top, so hopefully next time it doesn't be as crazy to get off. And I'm not going to torque it down as much as I did last time. I don't know why I did it that hard, unless it just got seized up from all this I guess debris. I don't know what that is, man. I'm praying that this engine's healthy because it's brand new. I bought it last year, so hopefully this is pretty normal with the break-in oil. But you know, this is a tip that I have for people that have the oil filters going straight down. You know, fill it up with oil so your car doesn't crank up dry. You know, you have at least some oil in the oil filter and in the block. You know, I do this even with the Hulk too when I change the oil, because the oil filters, you know, go straight down. But those of you got the oil filter sideways, you can't do this. But you know, it's still, you know, it'll still be okay. You know, just this is for the guys that have the oil filters facing down. Now it's time to fill this engine with oil. Alright guys, I'm sorry, that's all I could do today was change the oil. Not today, it took me 2 days really. Well, last night and this morning. This is all I can really get done today. We're going to go visit some family members out of town, so I really can't do as much today. I just want to make sure I got that oil filter off, which took me, boy, I had to tear that thing up to get it off. Hopefully I can get some more videos up. I think my next video is going to be these door panels. Get it in some sun, as you can see. You know, these things toe up from the floor up. I'm gonna try to dye them. And if you guys want to see that video, you know, just tune in to the next episode of the C10 video series. You know, I've done it before, but you know, I'm not a professional. We'll see how it come out. You know, because I'm not finna buy any new door cards, and these, they usually fit better than the remanufactured ones. So if I can dye it, you know, that'd be the best, you know, route for me to go. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe and be a part of the man. You know, link up with your boy. I got all the social medias in my description if you guys want to link up with me. Once again, I appreciate you guys for what you do and watching my videos, and I hope you like it. If you do, share it. See ya.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Psych!
It's called Sis Kill. I broke
my back.
What do you mean by that? You
My
broke
back is broken.